So I wanted to make a quick video on this NOOCEPTIN nootropic. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I bought 2 months. So I'm almost on my second month. See, I only have a few left in here. So what you do daily is you take 3 of these pills, and it's supposed to be a nootropic, right? It's supposed to help with your brain health, recall, things like that. And I did have some benefits from it, and but there's other things I just didn't notice anything. So I'll tell you right off the bat, I noticed almost immediately that my sleep, sounds really weird, my sleep got better. I was sleeping through the night, or maybe only getting up once a night, go to the bathroom or something like that. But I noticed that my sleep was better, and I thought maybe every once in a while you have a really good week of sleeping and then the next week you don't. This was consistent. I was falling asleep, not having those restless nights, maybe 1 or 2, over 60 days. But yeah, my sleep was a lot better. Now recall and things like that, everyone's looking for that, moment of clarity where you're getting in that, you put your brain in that extra gear. And you feel like you get more stuff done, or maybe you can organize your thoughts better, or recall things better memory, things like that. And I'm really sad to say that I didn't notice any of that. Maybe it's because I only use it for 2 months. Maybe I need to use it longer. Or maybe the things that this has in it that I'm supplementing with, I don't need because I already have it. I know there's things in here, obviously, I can't get through my normal diet, right? I don't think I can get lion mane, extract, but maybe whatever that's doing chemically into my body doesn't need. So I'm not deficient in it. Maybe, or I'm just not noticing anything because it's not long enough. But I did a lot of research. I know this is a good brand. Basically, I was actually using AI for weeks, just going all different types of nootropics. And, this brand seemed to be the best one, that they were lab tested, third party, all that stuff, right? But they also were very transparent with what's in it. They don't just say our proprietary brand and then just put a bunch of crap in it. This literally just tells you exactly what's in it. So that's why I went with this. These guys seem to be very transparent, seem to be a very good company. I ordered it, showed up within a few days. I was very excited to try it. I'm not sure I'm going to order this again. I might try a different nootropic. I just don't know which one yet. I may just let this go for, maybe not take it for a month, see how I feel, see if I notice anything different. Now, I know this is very anecdotal. This is just my experience. I'm not trying to put these guys down whatsoever. I don't want to take anyone to take anything negative from this. This is probably a really good thing to try at least. I'm not a doctor, not a special, I'm just a normal dude, right? So they're just telling you my experience. I really didn't notice that extra cog with thinking that I was looking for, right? So I'm just trying to think of a very nice way to put it, because I don't want to sound too negative on this product, because I may take this, again, depending on how everything goes. But that's how I feel. That's my experience. This is anecdotal. This is my experience. But yeah, so take that with what you may. Leave me a comment down below if you had a better experience with this, or maybe if I should take it longer. Because I've only taken it for 60 days. I'm finishing up my second dose, and I'm really thinking am I going to spend the money to buy any more of this? And I don't think I am. But let me know. Maybe I should. If you are maybe 6 months in, you're no, you need to wait. I really would like that feedback. I'm Raw Family TV, and I'm out.